If you're encountering the Cloud Save error 2025 in Rocket League, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League status page or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 5. Relink your account. If the problem persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account Steam, Epic Games, etc. to your Rocket League account. This can refresh your connection to the Cloud Save system. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save error 2025 in Rocket League. Enjoy your gaming.